my voice is reaching you all. Why? Because of my vocal cords are vibrating. While you are talking, you can keep your fingers here in order to experience that the vocal cords getting vibrated. You can say and you can just feel that what kind of vibration will produce in the vocal cords. The vocal cords vibrates to produce the sound, right? Similarly, when you come to the any object, and one more example, you know when the train is approaching, right? If you keep your ears next to the track, you'll just get the vibration, because metal is a material medium which is going to carry the sound from one part of the area to another part. So in the same way, even in your classroom, when you just keep your head or ear next to the desk, and if any other friend is going to tap, so you are observing that the sound is getting traveled. Why? Because of the vibration, the disturbance is carried in the medium. Okay. Now let me show you one of the kit. This is a tuning fork kit. What is this? Tuning fork. We have so many tuning forks here. So this is a tuning fork which is having two prongs, right? So here you can observe that we have prongs here, right? These two are called as prongs of the tuning fork. Whereas this tuning fork will vibrate when we tap it against this rubber pad. And when you just hold it to any object, or when you hold near your ear, you are able to listen the sound. Otherwise, you are unable to get the sound. Okay. But even you are unable to see the vibration of the tuning fork also. By just touching it, you can experience how the tuning fork will vibrate. Okay. Yes. Now, Disha. She is going to show that whether the disturbance which is set up in the medium is going to carry from one point to other point or not.
Now I am here to show you all about the tuning fork produces the vibration. Now when we build this tuning fork, when we take into this ball, it moves. You can see the vibration in its medium. The ball is displaced from its main position. This concludes that the vibration is produced in the form of energy which displays like a waves. The ball's main position is here. When we weigh this, it's moved from its main position. This concludes the vibration is formed by the energy and it is produced as a waves.
Okay, as you all observed that, see, let me show you one thing first. When I tap it against, it is actually vibrating, it is producing sound. But we are unable to judge, we are unable to know. Right, in order to get a conclusion over that, I am just going to tap. I think you are able to hear the sound. Yes? And I am having so many different kinds of tuning forks with me. Let me take those many tuning forks again and let me show you what kind of different sounds it will produce. Because each and every tuning fork vibrates with different frequency. Okay, each and every tuning fork is of different frequencies. As I already told you regarding the frequency in the last year CET for you, right? Yes. Now you can see that the sound is different, and somehow some of you who are sitting there, you might be feeling like your desks are also producing some vibration. I think you'll. The sounds are different, right? Yes. Because of the different lengths of tuning fork, because of its different vibrations. And depending on this tuning fork, in your first PU, you are going to perform resonance activity. Then you will come to know how actually the frequency varies with different length. I think now you got how the disturbance will be carried, and you got conclusion that whether this is vibrating or not. Okay. Now one of your friend is going to show you whether